Welcome to Tutorials by David, and today we'll be having a quick review of the Health Restore Sleep Supplement. So we have right here is the Health Restore, which is a premium sleep supplement formulated with magnesium, bisglycinate, and L-theanine and apigenin ingredients chosen to support natural sleep processes without using melatonin. So many users report falling asleep faster, feeling more relaxed before bed, and waking up feeling more refreshed. And the formula's gentle non-melatonin approach appeals to those who don't want hormonal sleep aids. So real-world feedback shows positive effects for some, especially when paired with good sleep hygiene, but results vary and aren't very universal. Some people see clear benefits while others notice only slight changes or none at all. Because dietary supplements are regulated like prescription sleep drugs and effects are typically subtle, Restore is best viewed as a supportive rather than a guaranteed cure for insomnia. It can enhance relaxation, yes, and sleep quality for many, but it is not a magic pill and works best along with healthy bedtime routines.